This is George Lucas, and welcome to the audio commentary. This really is conceived as a 6-part movie, of which episode 1 is the first chapter. And sometimes it's difficult to keep that in mind, that each film, while it's important in itself and relates to what's going on in that film and has to be entertaining in itself, really is fitting into a larger mosaic, and that the whole enterprise won't really be understood, I think, until you can actually sit down and watch all 6 episodes and then follow the story, because we're dealing in micro stories here. The larger picture is kind of a different story.
God, I'll never forget the first time I sat in a theater with George Lucas and we saw the opening credits. It was a very moving experience for me, working on my first episode. With all the history that went with it and all the responsibility, was a major event for me personally.
I remember the very first roll-up they filmed at ILM on the first movie. The typing was actually set out on the floor, and the camera on a track actually did a huge crane shot over the backlit words. It was not done by computer as it's done today, and I can remember the difficulty they had getting it to move smoothly. And the roll-up would start fast, then go slow, then speed up again, then go slow, and it was impossible to watch at that point until they worked it out and had it all of uniform speed.
Structurally, all the movies start exactly the same way. Go from titles, pan down to a ship or to a planet or to something. But we have a